Paras here. Today we're going to talk about how you can stay poor in these 5 ways. And if you want to stay poor, this is the video for you, and you're going to love it. So I just want to have a different angle on it because a lot of videos on how to get rich and stuff. But if you just focus on these, how to stay poor, it's gonna make a big difference. So my name is Paras. I'm an immigrant from India. I have my own high ticket affiliate and coaching business. I'm running it for the last 1.5 years, and now we are closing $10,000 a month, and we're focusing on $20,000 a month, and we have a free private community as well. If you want to learn more about that, we'll love to have you in. I will put the link in the description below. So guys, first and foremost way I would say it's not a fact, but something I have noticed in my experience from being an immigrant, of 5 year of journey in Canada and moving from India. Something I see again and again. If you wanna stay poor, just focus on these things. First, something I notice this again and again and again. A lot of people these days want to do something really big, but what's stopping them is they can't just leave their friends. They just have to hang out with their friends, and when they hang out with their friends, it just keep on. For me, it's nothing wrong with hanging. They also make money, jobs and everything. But if your path of making money, if you want to make $100,000 a month, and somebody's making $2,000 a month, your conversation will be totally different. Because in a job it's not really possible. In a business it's possible. So your conversation changes. But if you want to keep hanging out with same people, same conversation, playing PlayStation, smoking weed, nothing gonna change. The biggest thing I would say, if you want to stay poor, just stay with your friends who you grow up with. If they are not even ready to get better in their lives, just keep on staying with them. You're gonna stay poor for your whole life. That's the best way possible. Then the second is, this is something, nothing wrong in that, but I have seen this again and again. Once there is a point, you have to focus. So just second is, keep jumping on different shiny object. For example, I will give an example as well. Keep jumping on shiny percent. Be a real estate agent, be an insurance broker, be an affiliate marketer, being a coach. Until all the industries, if one person is making $1 million a month, and there is all industries people are doing that, there is possibility for you. But if we just keep jumping from one to another, what's gonna happen? You're gonna have a lot of information and you can't even decide. When you jump into something, just keep jumping. If you want to stay poor, keep jumping. 1 year real estate, 1 year, okay, this is gonna work for me. What's gonna happen? Nothing gonna work. At the end of the day, we have to make it work. So, and I've seen this again. I have seen so many people jumping on different programs, different professions, jumping from different things, never getting results because they were just shiny project. Okay, this guy's making millions, I'm gonna do that. This guy's doing this, I'm gonna do that. This guy's making $1 million, I'm gonna do that. Same thing over and over again. Just keep jumping on different shiny object. You're gonna stay poor for the rest of your life. Then this is not business related, but this is really important. Just keep drinking. If you want to stay poor, just keep drinking alcohol, I don't know if the spelling is right, but on daily or weekly basis. You keep drinking on daily basis, you don't have energy to work, you don't have any brain power to input in the business, put in the work, getting better in your skills. Just keep drinking on a daily basis and you will stay poor for the rest of your. You spend more money, you're spending money, you are damaging your health that you need for the rest of your life, and you are just basically ruining your future. Because now we always have seen this thing, we reap the benefits we're doing right now, even if it's good or bad. If you're doing bad right now, your body gonna struggle later. If you're doing good right now, definitely it's gonna good right now as well, but it's gonna future, it's gonna impact as well. So just keep drinking, no focusing on the business, no showing up at the meetings, keep drinking, work, sleep late, wake up late, and you will stay poor for a long time. Then this is something I realized personally, because after investing money into different program, learning what, because my focus is one business, right? Even if in different things is gonna feed one thing. So having fear, have a huge fear of losing money. Everything is a scam. Everything is a scam. You have a huge fear of losing money and trust no one. Trust no one, simple as that. Because if you want to stay poor, you have to do certain things, and this is really important, because you have to fear the investment. You have to fear, you don't have to invest. Because if you just imagine this, if you invest into something and you just have the fear, then it's not gonna work. So always have the fear that nothing's gonna work and you will stay poor for a long time. And even just keep your past traumas and things like that, just keep rolling it. Because what you gonna do if you don't invest in yourself? You don't even, like, I will give you one example. Like this book, if I invest in one book, like, I don't know, it's $50, okay, if I invest in this book and it was not good, if I just fear all the time that, okay, this, if I invest in book once, if it was not good, I'm not gonna do it again, done. Then the fifth is the number one, never expand your comfort zone. Never expand your comfort zone. Like, learn no new skills, don't meet new people. For me, I'm a introvert. So being an introvert, I don't like to meet people. But for business, you have to meet new people. You have to get into conversations. You have to build those connections. But if you want to stay poor, just focus on, never expand your comfort zone, being that, introvert, even just work a job for the rest of your life and just keep focusing. So I'm gonna do a little repeat. First, keep hanging out with same friends for the rest of your life. Even if they're doing a mediocre job, just keep doing that, you're gonna stay poor. Second, keep jumping on side job. Even if you are, trying to find something that's gonna work, just keep jumping on different things. Okay, I like this online thing. Okay, I want to be a real estate agent. No, I don't do this. Just keep jumping and you're gonna do. And this is proof, guys. There is still a chance, but there is a proof for this one. I've seen it again and again. Because some people don't have friends. That's fine. That's even better than hanging on with wrong friends. But I have one friend online, not a friend, but acquaintance, right? He just keep jumping from different things. From last 1 and 2 years when I've started in the business, keep jumping, nothing results, no results, single result yet. I don't know. Drinking on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, I have seen it again and again. Just keep doing it. You can even end up in a even broke position with this, because you're spending money again and then having fear of losing money. Have a big fear of losing money. Don't invest into yourself. Don't invest in your working on yourself. Don't invest in anything. Then never expand your comfort. Not learn any new skills. Not, like, for me, this is a really big one, because if you do the opposite of it, it's gonna be so simple. The game is so simple. They keep expanding your comfort zone. The more you do it, the better it gets. The better it gets. And now even making a YouTube video, just keep in your comfort zone. Never make a YouTube channel or something like that. You can create and stay in your comfort zone. You can stay poor for the rest of your life. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity around how to stay poor. I can go on and on like 100 ways, but these were the most important, especially when you are first in your business, or you this is the most important thing, because what going in your brain right now, conversation in your body, in what you're doing in your business, like these things are the most important, especially when you're having fear of losing it. So I have seen some people are not even ready to invest like $200 for the business. Okay, what if I lose this money? Like, what you live in USA, Canada, what you're gonna lose anyways? Like, freaking give it a shot. You never know what might happen. Hope there will be a lot of clarity, guys. Have a great day. If you like this kind of content, if you can leave a comment, would love to hear your reviews if I can make more of these. And have a great day. Bye bye.